Welcome back. Well, viewers, it's Farooq Abdullah after Mehbooba Mufti, whose heart seems to be bleeding for Pakistani nationals. We thought there was a change of heart after the NC chief on Monday said that he no longer supports talks with Pakistan in the aftermath of the Pahalgam carnage. But that doesn't seem to be the case, looking at the fresh comments on the ongoing deportation drive. Farooq Abdullah termed the move inhuman, perhaps forgetting how, in an inhuman, brutal manner, 26 innocent tourists were killed by the terrorists on the 22nd of April. After the Pahalgam carnage, India vowed to identify, trace and punish every terrorist and their backers. And as a result, the Indian government suspended visa services to Pakistani nationals living in India with immediate effect. They were given a deadline to leave the country. And this was part of the diplomatic response to Pakistan after the Pahalgam terror attack. But we have netas from the valley who are now coming out in support of these Pakistani nationals living in India. And earlier, Mehbooba Mufti, remember, had urged the government to reconsider its decision. She said that this raises humanitarian concerns. Now, there's another Valley Neta, Farooq Abdullah, who has said that this is being done in an inhuman way. And according to him, we shouldn't go to this extent. Listen in.
देखिए, ये एक कोलेटरल डैमेज है, नफरतों का कोलेटरल डैमेज है। अब उस बेचारी 50 साल से या 45 साल से वो रहने वाली है, उसके बच्चे यहाँ पढ़ रहे हैं, सब कुछ है, उसको पाकिस्तान भेजा। ये क्या रास्ता है? ये इनह्यूमन रास्ता है। मैं नहीं समझता हूँ हमें इस हद तक जाना चाहिए। ये अब किसकी ये सोच है, मैं नहीं जानता।
Now listening to Mehbooba Mufti, who was talking about India's deportation drive, wanting humanitarian concerns to be looked at, not making a mention of the way that mercilessly the tourists, the innocent people from India, had been killed by the terrorists.
आपने एक एडवाइजरी की है कि जो लोग यहाँ बाहर से आए हुए हैं, पाकिस्तान से आए, तो उसमें कोई ऐसे लोग हैं, ऐसी औरतें हैं जिनकी शादी 30 साल 40 साल पहले हुई है, उनका घर तो हिंदुस्तान है, वो तो अपने आप को हिंदुस्तानी समझते हैं, वो इस वक्त इस उम्र में कहाँ जाएंगे? तो मैं उम्मीद करती हूँ कि होम मिनिस्टर साहब इसका सिंपैथेटिक व्यू लेंगे, क्योंकि आज तक 30 साल से 40 साल से रह रहे हैं और वो कभी भी उन्होंने मुल्क के खिलाफ कोई कार्रवाई नहीं की, कोई काम नहीं किया, और वो अपने आप को हिंदुस्तानी तस्वुर करते हैं, वो अपने आप को पाकिस्तानी नहीं मानते हैं।